first time, we can say we had a science summer camp in our school from 1st June to 6th June for our students, where Sarvesh Tripathi Max Science from Ahmedabad, they came and the team was so excellent, and then they created interest in students, that the students had fun with science. They really enjoyed science, they feel science, and we can say when we asked them that during summer vacation which part you liked most, they said that out of around 40 days of summer vacation, this is the day which they liked most, which they enjoyed most, and really we can say that it is a great success and great enjoyment for our children, and they will definitely come close to science and they will enjoy science. And this is a good initiative taken by, we can say, us in the cooperation and coordination with Sarvesh Tripathi. His team is excellent. They are ground to earth, they are close to students, and they have given really a best to our children, so that our children have not only learned many things in science, but they enjoyed science, they had fun with science, and really it is a great success and enjoyment for us. For that, we are definitely thankful to Dr. Preeti Adani Madam and Amit Shah Madam for coordinating with the Sarvesh Tripathi Max Science team, and it was possible because of that. I thanks each and everyone for it.